Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, yesterday I just happened to be driving past this village of Vunitogoloa, and to my surprise they were inaugurating a new library. So they very cordially invited me along, so I ended up being invited to the opening of this library, this small modest library but with a big heart. It's small but it has a huge heart, and you know the old saying, from small acorns mighty oaks grow. Anyway, so I tell you what, let's roll the video from yesterday when they had a bit of a party going on here and they had the opening of the library. So let's roll that first. Wow. So this is the new library? Okay.
Tiny library for the
village. Okay.
The building itself is tiny, but it's contained something that much bigger than...
Yeah, of course, yeah, that's right. Have you heard of the TARDIS? No, you haven't? No, okay. It's a very famous television program. It's small on the outside, but it's really big on the inside. Okay. Wow. Hello, how are you? Okay. So this is... Thank you. We're going in to look at the new library. Wow. Okay. Okay, so this is... Oh, wow, Bulla. Oh my, you got some good books here. Yeah. Parmuk, I've got his book.
Nice, yeah?
Yes.
Hey people, please can you go outside?
Okay, so you've got children's books?
Yes, this children's book.
Okay. And Julie Cooper, Wicked.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, I can't believe you've got...
Children's book.
Okay, so you've got... Oh, this is a classic. This is... Wow.
Nice.
Murakami, very famous writer.
Yes.
Very famous writer.
Yeah.
Okay, can you put that one back? Sorry, thank you.
I'll put it here.
Thank you. Montserrat. This guy is very famous. Orhon Pamuk. He's Turkish writer. Very famous. He is so good. I have a number of his books.
Yeah.
All right. So, who's the librarian here?
Well, we don't know yet.
You don't have a librarian?
Yeah, we're just having the boss of that.
Okay.
And we decide who's the librarian.
Are you deciding today?
Yeah, I'm deciding today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. So, wow. So this is the library.
Yeah.
My goodness. This is really good, isn't it?
This was planted today.
Okay, so this is planted in honor of the library.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't really know what the name of this one in English, but it's called kavika.
Kavika, yeah, I know it. Yeah, I know Kavika. Yeah. It produces a fruit, doesn't it? Kavika fruit.
Yeah, kavika fruit.
Yeah.
So he's marking of shape.
Okay, so this is the official opening. I have some books that I will give to you later. I've been giving a lot of books. I used to give books to Nandi Council. Then I gave books to Bar Council. So I will bring some books and give them to you. And I have many books at home. So I'll bring them. I'm coming this way tomorrow. I'm going to Narewa village tomorrow, and I'll bring them with me tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So who do I contact? Do I just come here tomorrow?
Yeah, you can just contact me.
Okay.
Can give you my number.
Wow, okay, yeah. I'll just have a little film around.
Yeah.
So, okay, what's going on here? What's this here? This is just a village hall. Okay.
Yeah.
Community hall?
This was just made by the village.
Okay.
It's money raise funds.
Okay. Wow.
It was constructed in 2018.
2018? You still haven't got windows yet, but you will put windows in later, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, you don't there's no intention to keep it open aired.
No,
You know,
no.
no. You will put windows in.
We will
Okay.
put windows.
Okay. And you got the police here.
The station officer
Okay.
is the chief guest for.
Oh, okay. That's a very good. Vunitogoloa.
Yeah.
Vunitogoloa. That's the name of this village. And the ladies. Wow. Look at this. How are you, ladies? All right. It looks amazing. You've done a lot of work here. All homemade. Okay. Just bring it a bit closer. And who's the chief cook here?
Everyone is the chief. This lady.
This lady here?
No, this lady.
Oh, okay, this lady. Hello. Look.
Bola, bola.
She's the chief cook. Okay. Okay. And that's a cake tin, isn't it? Cake.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Cake tray.
Okay. You've done a lot of work here. Okay. See inside? Look inside. That's okay. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you. Oh, excuse me, chill out. How are you, sir? How are you, sir? All right. Just visiting the library. Don't mean to interrupt you. How are you, sir? Okay. Sir. Have you? Oh, I know. I just spoke to you again. Again. Okay. I'm just. How are you? How are you? Okay. I'm. How are you? Sorry. Stand down. I love books. I was showing the. I was very touched to see the library, because libraries are my passion. So I spoke to the gentleman over there. I will bring some books for him tomorrow. I'm coming this way tomorrow. Good. Sorry? Oh, yeah, in a minute. I'll come back? Yeah. Excuse me.
Thank you.
Very nice. Thank you very much. Thank you. How are you doing? I've got biscuit in my mouth, I'm sorry. How are you doing? Right. There's so much excitement about this new library, isn't there?
Yes.
So much excitement, isn't there?
Yes.
Which is good news.
We
Yeah.
We are excited.
Yeah.
Something new.
There's something new.
In our community. Yeah, in the Fijian village, Itoki village.
I'm going to bring some books tomorrow.
Oh, thank you. We appreciate.
No,
So
of course.
proud of you.
I
I've seen your life when you went up to is it hill?
Yes.
Because I stayed. My house is just opposite Uminavatu.
Oh.
Corporate house just beside the main road. It's opposite.
Near the car wash. No?
Opposite the car wash.
Oh, on the hill.
No.
No. Sorry, it's on the ground. It's on the lower
beside
level.
the main road.
Okay. Okay, so that's.
Would you like to have a black tea?
I love a black tea. Yes, no sugar though. Thank you. Wow, look at these cakes. Sorry, excuse me, Chilo. Wow. Very nice. Lovely selection. What an amazing selection. And what an amazing library, a new library open in this village. Another look at that library. There you go, that's the new library. It's just been opened in this village. And I'm coming back this way tomorrow, and I'm going to deliver a whole lot of books that I've finished reading. I'm a huge book lover. I read a lot of books. And tomorrow I'm bringing some books, guys, okay? Yes. I'm bringing some books for this wonderful library in this beautiful village.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay guys, here I am in this beautiful little library, and I'm here with Josefa. Josefa is the Vunitogoloa, he's the village headman. And Josefa, whose idea was the library?
Just a
community. It's just a community thing from the okay, there you are. It came from the village roots, didn't it? Eh?
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Josefa he is in charge. If you want to visit this village at any time, he's the person to speak to. And if you want to leave, anybody in Fiji or anybody anywhere in the world wants to donate books to this beautiful little, modest little library, they can get in touch with Josefa. I'll leave some sort of a contact in. That's all right, isn't it, Josefa? I'll leave some sort of contact in the description below. But here we are. We've got the books here. Now I'm donating some of these books here. I'm donating a lot of the books of Mario Vargas Llosa. He won the Nobel, not Peace Prize. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 2010, Josefa. So you'll love his books. He is such a good writer. There are a lot of his books here, all sorts of things in here. But I will be bringing more books. I love this guy's writing. You know, two of the books that I've read that I thought would be here in this collection, but they're somewhere at home, and I've got to look for them. The Feast of the Goat and Conversation in the Cathedral. Beautiful masterpieces. You'll love them. They're more for mature readers. You know, the sort of the themes of political violence and you know, how dictatorship, how to fight against dictatorship. You know, how it can ruin lives. And so there's everything. Thank you, Josefa. So I mean, I'll leave you to just sort it out yourself, Josefa. But here we are. This is the man to speak to. This is the beautiful little library in this beautiful little village, and that's it. You know, this has been a very short vlog, but it's just my passion has always been books. And you'll see here you've got some great writers here. Carl Sagan. You know, you've got you know, and somebody I saw yesterday, Orhan Pamuk. All these wonderful writers. They're all here, and hopefully we can or somehow make a contribution to this great initiative. It shows, I mean, I believe in the power of books. I believe in the power of books to humanize people, and to really lift them out of themselves and take them to a different world, and improve their outlook on life, and improve their relationship with their fellow human beings. I believe the books can transform you, and isn't that right, Giuseppe? Books are just amazing. So on that positive note, this is me signing off. Thanks for watching.